All right, Sammy. I graded your homework assignment and you did pretty good on it. Just a couple of things I wanted to bring to your attention um, that's important to fix. For starters, you made a sign mistake on number 2. So real quick, when you look at number 2, when you add this 5, you get negative 3x is less than 18. But when you divide by negative 3, you got to remember, you got to flip that inequality. And 18 divided by negative 3 is negative 6. Okay. Um, you forgot to flip the sign and make it negative. Now I know I told you, but I thought I'd clarify a little more on these type of problems. Anytime I have a denominator, I want to go ahead and multiply by that denominator because those cancel out. Multiply this side by 2, and I get m minus 10 is greater than or equal to negative 22. Now it's an easy inequality to solve. Add 10, and m is greater than or equal to negative 2. All right, no different than number 7. I want to get rid of the denominator, multiply by it, which means I multiply the other side. 3x minus 4 is less than 14. Now it's a simple inequality to solve. 3x is less than 18, divide by 3, x is less than 6. Okay, all the other ones you did pretty good, but I do want to touch base on these word problems because you're getting the inequality incorrect, so please pay attention to these. It says during the summer you want to attend a minimum of 10 Cubs games. So that I'm going to let G represent the number of games attended. So they want us to attend a minimum, which means the smallest number of games you can attend is 10. So the number of games I attend must be greater than or equal to 10 total games. Okay. So to ride the American Eagle, you must be at least 48 inches tall. So if H represents your height, right, I'm going to say the minimum height, you have to be at least 48 inches, which means your height must be greater than or equal to 48. Whereas when you look at the next one, to ride the Little Dipper at Kittyland, a rider could be at most 48 inches. So the overall height must be less than or equal to 48. You cannot be over it. Okay. Other than that, you did pretty good. So I'm going to send the review, get that done, and I'll send you the quiz. All right. Enjoy your day.